Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that's where this green line here annotation is coming from, and that plays an absolutely perfect segue into the power of charts. And I'm not patting myself on the back here, and I don't want to come across like I have some sort of secret strategy or anything. No, this is stuff that anybody can learn how to do. Why is 0022 so important? Why does that really show the power of charts? Well, if you watched yesterday's video, I talked about that as a level of support, and you can see that multiple times today, the bears tried to push down through that area, but as clear as day, you can see, right up at that portion of the chart, the bulls did a great job of holding strong as support, and that's the name of the game. You want to see bases getting higher and higher, and without question, there are many buyers that are staying right around that 0022 mark. And that's certainly what you want to see going forward. So 0022 confirmed would be the right word there. Definitely has been confirmed as a level of support. Taking a step back, as I've talked about in the past, and I'll just quickly touch on this. The big picture perspective, for as far as levels of support are concerned, right there, the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And as I said in the past, the simplistic way to look at that from, again, assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full control. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, going back to that word of confirmation, we definitely got confirmation of where the sellers are currently hanging out at. And that area is right up here at 003. So 003 is where the sellers are confirmed to hanging out. Why do I say confirmed? Well, there was the first clue came when, the price made the great move up here, and then that's where it got rejected. And then the confirmation came during the final 30 minutes. The price once again went up there and did get rejected by it. The good news here, though, is that the price still closed very, very closely nearby. So it's, assuming there's no gap downs, the price doesn't have to travel that far until it can try to do battle with that mark once again. Whereas last time that happened, it fell all the way down here. So just to do battle, the price would have to travel all the way back up there. This time, all the way up is just a very, very small distance. So 003 has definitely got potential to be broken, next week. But that is the, current key level of resistance for the chart. So very nice way to close out the day and week, given that it's Friday. So we'll see how it all unfolds next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.